So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can view historical timeline information for one of your clients in your Glow account. One of our key features is timeline, and the reason that we've added it to Glow is twofold really. One, you as the developer can keep a really good track of all of the actions completed for a particular client. And also it's a client-facing feature, so when your clients log into their account, they have access to the timeline as well and can see all of the wonderful things that you've been doing in looking after their website. But as time goes on, of course, that timeline grows, and you might want to go back to a particular place in time to identify when a particular action was completed. So I'm going to show you how you do that today. I'm logged in, as you can see here, on the dashboard of my Glow account, and I'm going to start by clicking on Clients from the main left-hand menu. And then I'm going to choose one of my clients from the list. Let's go with Lee and Lee at the bottom here. As I do that, the client area loads, and as you can see, it's loaded on the WordPress tab from the inner menu here. As it's the timeline that we're looking at today, I'm going to click on Timeline. And then, as you can see, down the middle of the screen are all the date stamps for the different actions that we've completed on this client's website. And to view the historical information, we'll just need to use this View drop-down menu at the top of the screen here. So as you can see at the moment, by default, it loads on the All-Time option. And I can click that and choose from any of these options in history. So the last 7 days, last 30, last 3 months, and last 6 months. So if I do the last 7 days, for example, click that, and the timeline updates and just shows me the actions completed in the last 7 days. Similarly, I can switch that to last 30. Again, it'll refresh and just show me the actions completed in the last 30 days. And of course, I can pop it back to all time whenever I need to. So that is how you view historical timeline information for any of your clients in your Glow account.